Hey, welcome, Gary Forging On. I'm going to be making another set. I made a set of these once before, but I'm making a second set. They're basically taking some horseshoes. I have 4 of them here. But each one match each other. They don't match all 4. I think it's one's front and one's back. But guys want me to take these and make them into a gun rack mount on the wall. So I got to wire wheel them, clean them up, and then after a while we'll clean them up. I'll drill some holes. I think I'm going to use these for the backs, and drill some holes to mount to the wall, and then I'll weld those to mount off here, and then I leather wrap this to protect the gun from scratching. It's an antique gun. We'll get started on that. Yeah, I got all this dirt to get out of the shoe. One of these says SX7. Yeah, both of them do. Like I said, he got these from the guy that gave these to me to make these out of. From a friend, got them from somebody else. This wire wheel. Oh, right off too. Alright, so I don't know how well this is going to work. Okay, you're not cooperating with me. I don't have one of those fancy layout tables. I saw one online and I thought, man, I'd get me one of those nice welder tables. And a small one was like, I can't remember how many thousands of dollars. I was like, yeah, I'll just goof around. The reason I'm taking so long is I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to make the next one match this one. And I don't know how I'm going to do that, because once I pull it all apart, it's just going to be messed up. Oh well, we'll just do the best we can. So I got to make sure I get it right, this way. I got to get it right this way with it. Then I got to get it right this way with it. Then I got to get it right height-wise, and then I got to make that little match it. I did a set for a guy out of pony shoes. Years and years ago. Oh man, that's been probably 20 years ago or more. And what he wanted was, he wants these mirrored, so in the same height. Now the ones I made 20 years ago, the guy wanted the shoes to be the same up here, and he wanted the gun to be level. So your fore end of your rifle is higher than down at the buttstock. So I had to offset the part at the hanging down. I had to make one height and another height while these were the same, and it worked out. I haven't seen the guy. He was a programmer along with me. I haven't seen the guy in ages, but we're just going to tack that. Okay, let's go. As soon as I go to There you go. It's away. And I'm going to make actually what I'm looking at is the nail holes, getting them in the same position. That's about the right position for where the hole is, and I think that's about the right height. Man, that's pretty close. It's close from my side of the net woods anyway. Alright, let me make sure everything is done. Okay. There we go. Up against the wall like this, but you can't see because I got my hands in the way. Okay, there we go. Mount on the wall, far apart. And have an old 1800s lever action in it.